Hi, how are you today? Welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 3.4. Today, we learn possessive nouns. Together, we will learn and practice. Remember, a noun is one person, one place, one thing, two or more people, two or more places, or two or more things. To make a noun possessive and show ownership, if the noun does not end with the letter S, add apostrophe S. For example, Amy has a dog. Amy has a dog. Amy's dog. Amy's dog. Amy's dog. David has a hat. David has a hat. David's hat. David's hat. David's hat. Randy has a house. Randy has a house. Randy's house. Randy's house. Randy's house. Pam has a book. Pam has a book. Pam's book. Pam's book. Pam's book. The men have tools. The men have tools. The men's tools. The men's tools. The men's tools. The children have a ball. The children have a ball. The children's ball. The children's ball. The children's ball. Africa has a large population. Africa has a large population. Africa's population. Africa's population. Africa's population. The lion has a tail. The lion has a tail. The lion's tail. The lion's tail. The lion's tail. If the noun ends with the letter S, just add apostrophe. For example, Jess has a apple. Jess has a apple. Jess's apple. Jess's apple. Jess's apple. The boys have shoes. The boys have shoes. The boys' shoes. The boys' shoes. The boys' shoes. Well done. We learned a lot. Please practice, practice, practice. That is all for today. Please click like. Please click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. It's always a pleasure having you. I will see you again soon.